The design of a living being often reveals its natural food. Human beings are born with instincts that guide them toward nourishment. A child naturally reaches for sweet fruit before complex foods. Fruit provides water, energy, and nutrients in a simple form. Nature frequently packages nourishment together with taste and color. Many foods require processing, while fruit is ready as it is. Observing nature can reveal patterns that modern habits often overlook. Health is supported when choices align with biological design. Understanding what a species is designed to eat begins with understanding its relationship to nature.